Alright, we've got this new style rudder for a AMF, Vanguard, Gloveless and DeGarmo, Sunfish, Laser, Inc. Who else has made Laser Performance? And it has the tension springs that go on either side from the rudder pin down to the rudder cheek. This one's been tweaked a couple times, kind of bad shape. One was missing on the other side. I didn't notice it when I picked it up, so I dug through the part stash and found another set. So they're hard to get on and off. The way we like to do it is to use vice grips. And there's another trick we can do that. Let's see, we've got about a finger's width right there. Let me see if I can make that less or not. Pretty technical. Still about the same. What we like to do with these is take them and use the vice grips to put this back on. Now, I like pulling it towards me, that way if it springs loose, it's going to go that way. From the end I have grip, so we set this just tight enough to grip the end of it, but to not crush it. Put it on here, bring it down, and that's on. Then we can flip it over. Let's see if it goes on as easy with it the other way, if it really matters or not. Nope. But not the bad one. Let's use the new one. I felt like I had to pull it just a little bit further that way. So I'd have it swung into the up position, and then you can get it down in there. How this new style rudder works is the tiller strap notches down into the rudder cheek, but when you hit an obstruction, this is attached to the stern of the boat. The rudder can swivel up so it doesn't get broken. And also when you launch, you can have it swiveled up, so when then it's attached to the stern of the boat, it sticks up pretty good. It sticks up at about that angle while you're launching and retrieving. This rudder was also pretty dirty, so we took some just a bunch of garage dirt on it. So we took some Starbright teak oil, dabbed a little bit on the rag. I like the teak oil; it smells real nice. And then did a couple things, just use that to remove the surface dirt, and that will sit there and soak into the wood over the wall. We try to wipe most of it off because this had a varnished surface on it. The varnish is getting a little worn, so it is soaking into the wood. It makes it look pretty nice. We got this West Marine, I believe Jamestown Distributors sells it also. So we use on the gunnels of our logger also, and it's been good to us through 25 plus years, probably more closer to 1982, 37 years. So hope y'all are having a good day, and Tom, here's your rudder. It'll be on the way this afternoon.